first year that we are alone. The kids have all flown out. I've got a thought, dear, been planning on my own. So what would you think about us making a clean getaway, not coming back till New Year's Day? Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. We'll stroll down Champs-Élysées, wishing our troubles away. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. It's been so long, dear, since we've been anywhere. I think we deserve as much. 2 first-class seats to Charles de Gaulle out of St. Louis Lambert Field. So let's make a clean getaway and not come back till New Year's Day. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. We'll throw Mona Lisa a glance. We'll make time for a little romance. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. We'll dine at Atelier Roger. Just imagine us two sitting there. Let's go to Paris for Christmas this year. for you. I'm out on a last minute spree, hoping to find that something that makes you see that I love you.
I've been out running all day, nothing catches my eye. What do you get for someone who has it all? I've been to every corner of this godforsaken mall. What in the world would be that something that made you see that I love you?
All I've got to give for Christmas is this, a Christmas kiss. Close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss. Your Christmas
It's something no one else is getting.
It's something you won't be soon forgetting. It's something we can share and take with us anywhere. All I've got to give for Christmas is this, a Christmas kiss. So close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss. All I've got for Christmas is this, a Christmas kiss. So close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss. Your Christmas kiss. Christmas kiss.
Hello, dear Santa, I'm writing to you. I know how you're busy, but what else can I do? asked us to come and sit down on her bed. She took a deep breath, then here's what she said. I have a secret I promise to keep, but I need to tell you before I can sleep. Michael and Daniel, some children at school, they say there's no Santa and that I am a fool. They had been hiding where they could see who put their gifts under their Christmas tree. The fireplace burning with a flickering light and lit up the room they were watching that night. One eye at the chimney, one eye at the door. A familiar shape came walking the floor. His coat was red and his beard was in white. Looked just like his daddy in the flickering light. Sweet Angie, these stories they tell, they've been around forever. I know them so well. When I was a kid, the same age as you, they said there's no Santa, and I was a fool. So Grandpa, he told me, here's what I will do. I'll write a letter to Santa from you and ask him to write back and tell you the truth. Then show all the children that you are no fool. The postman delivered the